Welcome to our new site here at Castleknock, Dublin 15. We're at Hawthorne Lawn, and we're going to have a look at the early stages of this project. It was a full planning application, demolitions and two-storey extensions. It's quite extensive. It's pretty much like a new build. The new house crew are on the early stages of the job. You can see the front garden and the demolitions have started, and the early structural block work and steel is in place. We'll have a quick walk through today and have a look at a brief talk through. Starting at the front here, essentially it was a 1960s build. It needed a full deep retrofit. There were some demolitions of the front porch, some remodeling of the interior walls and structures. And we also had an old garage conversion here, which we're building up onto a two-storey on the right-hand side. And at the back, we have a double-storey extension, which consists of an open plan kitchen living space on the ground floor and bedrooms and bathrooms on the upper level. There's also front and back landscaping on this project. It was a full planning permission application to Fingal County Council, and all of our drawings are also online. You can have a look at that and some more before and after images. So here you can see the original 1960s cavity brick wall. This is pretty much all that's left. You got the front facade and some of the upper level retained, but essentially it's a full remodeling and restructuring of the existing property. A lot of the steel is in situ now. There's over 7 tons of steel fitted, and all of the new timber floors are also fitted, getting ready for the upper levels and eventual attic and new roof structure here also. We've left the window openings just for ease of access, and obviously new doors going in on the right hand side. Just for digger machinery and materials, we've left this open for full access to the back. So as you can come through here, you can see the sheer spans. We've got over 4 meters in the living areas, and across the back of the house we've over 10 meters. So the crew have fitted all of the timber, 9-inch joists. Some of it is triple braced and some of it is doubled up. We've also got plates and bolts into concrete pads below the ground here, and your square hollow posts supporting the upper levels. There'll be a full energy renewable system fitted here with underfloor heating and air to water system and heat recovery system. So there'll be a full underfloor heating slab and insulated slab port at our feet here. Across the back you can see the bigger steel beam sections. You've got your heads and these columns, which are also going into the ground. We'll share those images on the video overlay. You can have a look at that. So heavy civil engineering design went into this project, and a lot of groundworks and supporting concrete and reinforced concrete before the main superstructure starts coming out of the ground. This is the two-storey element here then towards the back. So here you can see the double legs and columns on the supporting steels. You've got 203 and 254 universal columns and RSJs. They're sitting on the plates here, 20mm plates. They're bolted and strapped in, and they're running the 10-meter span all the way across the back of the property. Again, that's running down into foundations and pads a meter below the foundation line. There's some structure at the back here that started, some window openings, some shuttering, but in general, still at the early stages, pretty much a shell. In the next couple of weeks, I'll come back and we'll see some more first floor and upper level works. The back garden also has some drainage being built. The lads are setting out for some patio levels, getting all the levels ready then for the new transition from the extension to the back. So a lot of groundwork's taking place here. Eco channels, AJ's, wastewater. We've also got a shed and a family apartment to the back here, which will be used for games room and home office space. We may plumb it for a toilet, or maybe just a shed storage space, but that will need some water, drainage, soak away services. And we're going to look at doing some work around the walls, maybe rendering the walls, but we can have a look at that on the 3D and on the next stages of the construction videos. You'll see that coming together. So we leave the lads working away there. Nothing much more to see really apart from the skeleton here. You can see probably more steel and structure that's gone into the works. This is the entrance hall, temporary stairs fitted here. But again, you can see the spans, posts, the columns, and the sheer volume of engineering and steel and structure that went into the initial stages. Detached house, you've got your side access here. So this will all be fitted with your utility and services and your layouts as per the plans. We'll superimpose the plans over the videos there. You can have a look at that in some of the 3Ds. And we'll also have a look at the virtual video tour of the upper levels and bedrooms and attic space in the next video. So that's all today from the Hawthorne Lawn site. Thanks very much for joining us. Thanks for all your support as always to all of our clients. And don't forget to like, share and follow us on plantech.ie, newhouse.ie, And if you're considering a home renovation or new build project, you're always welcome to visit us at Ballycoulin at our new showroom by appointment. And we can also meet you at your home if you're interested in a home consultation. Thanks very much and see you soon. New house, yeah.